Hey there, it's great to see you. Today, I want to talk about something super important, self-sabotage. We all do it, but it's time to stop holding yourself back. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about procrastination. We all put things off because they seem too hard or too boring. But really, procrastination is just fear in disguise. So next time you're tempted to binge watch, tackle that task instead. You'll thank yourself later. Another self-sabotage habit is negative self-talk. Ever catch yourself thinking I'm not good enough? That's your inner critic talking. Tell that critic to take a hike. Replace those thoughts with positive affirmations. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Perfectionism is another big one. Striving for perfection sounds noble, but it's really just setting yourself up for failure. Remember, done is better than perfect. Aim for progress, not perfection. You'll feel more accomplished. Next, let's talk about fear of failure. This one's a biggie. We're so afraid to fail that we don't even try. But failure is just a part of learning. Every successful person has failed many times. Embrace failure. It's your best teacher. People-pleasing is another sneaky habit. Saying yes to everything and everyone can spread you too thin. Learn to say no. It's not selfish, it's self-care. Prioritize your own needs and goals. Comparison is the thief of joy. Scrolling through social media and comparing yourself to others can be toxic. Remember, you're only seeing the highlight reel. Focus on your own journey. Celebrate your own wins, no matter how small. Lastly, lack of self-care can really hold you back. If you're not taking care of yourself, how can you expect to succeed? Make time for exercise, sleep, and relaxation. Your body and mind will thank you. So there you have it. These are the self-sabotage habits that hold you back. But the good news is, you can overcome them. Start small, be kind to yourself, and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep striving for your best self.